Hello children, welcome to the social science class of 6th grade. Children, in this video I am going to discuss the question answer of the Asia, a land of contrasts. The first question, I discuss in a group and answer. First question is, Asia is a land of contrasts. Why? Answer, Asia is the largest of all continents, hence it has the greatest variety in the terms of physical features, climate, vegetation, wildlife, soils, and etc. It has the highest mountains, plateaus, vast fertile plains, deserts, river systems, and lakes. There is a diversity in the languages, religions, uneven distribution of the population and density. That is why it is often called as the land of contrasts. Second question, what is the physical setting of Asia? Answer, physical setting of the Asia. The continent of Asia is bounded by oceans on three sides and by land on one side. It is bounded by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Pacific Ocean in the east, the Indian Ocean in the south, European continent is there in the west. The border between Asia and Europe is traditionally drawn as a zigzag line passing down to the spine of the Ural Mountains and through the Caspian Sea, Caucasus Mountains, and Black Sea. Which are the major physical division of Asia? Answer, the major physical divisions of Asia are: first one, the northwestern lowlands, the central highlands, the southern plateaus, the great plains of rivers, the island groups. Fourth one, which is the highest mountain peak in Asia? Answer, the highest point of Asia is Mount Everest. This Mount Everest has 8,848 meters. So it is the highest mountain peak not only in Asia, it is the highest mountain peak in the world. Fifth question, in which season are the rains plentiful in Asia? Answer, the most of the rainfall in Asia is caused by the monsoon winds in summer season. Sixth one, which are the major staple food crops of Asia? The major answer is, the major staple food crops of Asia are rice and wheat. Seventh one, which is the most important fossil fuel in Asia? Answer, the coal is the most important fossil fuel in Asia. Eighth one, which part of the Asia are very sparsely populated and why? Answer, the sparsely populated areas includes the northern and eastern part of Siberia, which are very cold, the desert of Arabia, Iran, and Thar desert in India. There are two dry and highlands of the central. There are two dry highlands of the Central Asia. So population is very sparsely, very less population in this area. Ninth one, mention any three major industrial regions of Japan. First, the Keihin region is the greatest industrial region of Japan, which includes Tokyo, Kawasaki, and Yokohama cities. The important industries are textile, engineering, shipbuilding, paper and cement industry. Second one, Hanshin region includes Osaka, Kobe, Kyoto. It is dominated by textiles. Third one, Ice Bay region spreads around the Nagoya city and it is dominated by the textile and engineering industry. Some additional question and answers. First one, mention the regional divisions of Asia. Answer, the five major regional divisions of Asia are East Asia. First one, East Asia. Second one, Southeast Asia. Third one, South Asia. Fourth one, Southwest Asia. Fifth one, Central Asia. Second one, mention the major river system of Asia. Answer, the Indian Ocean river system. Second one, Pacific Ocean river system, Arctic Ocean river system, inland river system. Third one, which are the places in Asia which record the lowest temperature in Asia? Answer is Verkhon sank in Siberia. It has a 51 degrees Celsius, and Omyonki has 71 degrees Celsius temperature in January. Fourth one, where in Asia has the largest petroleum reserves? Answer, Southwestern Asia, as these nations, Saudi Arabia is there, Iraq, Kuwait, Iran, Bahrain, Qatar, UAE means United Arab Emirates. So these nations are largest petroleum reserves in Southwestern Asia. Fifth one, where are the monsoon forests found in Asia? Answer is South Asia, Southeast Asia, and East Asia. Sixth one, which is the leading producer of the iron ore in Asia? Answer is China is the leading producer of the iron ore in Asia. Thank you, children.